Peter woke up feeling excited. He wanted to go to the park and have a picnic with his friends. He needed to buy some snacks and drinks, so he took his bike and went to the supermarket. After getting everything, he saw his neighbor, Sarah, and asked her if she wanted to come along. Sarah was surprised and said, "Wow, that's a great idea. Can I come with you?" Peter smiled and said, "Of course." "Let's go." They went to the park together, spread out a blanket, and enjoyed a delicious picnic under the warm sun. They talked, played games, and laughed until it was time to go home. Peter felt happy he had invited Sarah, and they both agreed to have another picnic soon.
Hi, Ahmad, do you like pizza?
Hi, yes, I like it very much.
I want to go to the pizza restaurant later.
Can you come with me?
Okay, I'll see you then.
Awesome.
Great, I need to go there too.
Yes, I can. Let's go after work.